100 hours of hydration, repairs the moisture barrier, gentle enough for babies but effective for adults too. That's a lot of promises for one cream. So I decided to put the Illiyoon Ceramide A2 Concentrate Cream to the test, a real 7-day test, to see what it actually does for oily, acne-prone and sensitive skin like mine. Is it just the hype or does it really deliver? Over the next 7 days, I will be tracking how my skin feels, looks and reacts. No filters, just facts. Let's see if this cream lives up to the hype. Day 1. I started using this cream at night because that's when I usually like to add some extra hydration or moisturization. Nighttime is when our skin naturally shifts into repair mode, so I don't mind layering on a little more. That said, I still stick to products that are suitable for sensitive skin. I definitely don't want to trigger any allergies or irritation. This cream is fragrance free, which is a big plus for me. The texture is actually quite different from Illiyoon's Ceramide A2 Soothing Gel. This one has tiny granules in it that melt as you work the cream onto your skin. It's an interesting texture, very gentle, and it blends in smoothly once those granules dissolve. Moving on to day 2, I have to say this cream might feel a bit heavy for some people. It's definitely on the thicker side and doesn't glide on as smoothly as a regular moisturizer. You can spread it across the face, of course, but you will notice the dense, creamy texture right away. It's not your typical lightweight moisturizer, it's much thicker than that. What surprised me though is the finish. It's actually kind of matte. It doesn't leave any oily or greasy shine, which is great if you prefer a more natural, non-glossy look. Day 3 and day 4. I continued using the cream at night, and honestly the way it feels, I just can't imagine using it during the day. It's definitely too heavy for daytime wear, especially if you're stepping out or layering other products on top. It has that rich, thick texture that makes it more suited for nighttime use when you don't mind something that sits on the skin a little longer. Remember, I'm telling this from my experience living in hot and humid weather. Day 5 was rough, guys. I got really sick, nausea, stomach cramps, and it wasn't just me. The viral infection started with my 5-year-old and quickly spread to all 4 of us. Honestly, I had to really push myself to get in front of the camera that day. Just getting the setup ready felt like a task. That night, I kept my routine super simple. After washing my face, I went straight in with this cream and no serums, no extras in between. I was just too tired and unwell to do more. I wanted to wrap up the day and get into bed as soon as possible. Day 6 and 7. I continued using the cream on day 6 and day 7, and here is something about this cream I really appreciated. It didn't break me out. No irritation, no pimples, no unexpected flare-ups. That alone says a lot, especially if you have an acne-prone or sensitive skin like mine. It's actually quite moisturizing, and it feels like one of those formulations that's safe to reach for when things go wrong. If your skin barrier is compromised, whether it's from sun damage, extreme dryness, harsh weather, or even flaking and peeling from acne treatments, this is the kind of cream that can help soothe and support recovery. In fact, I'm already thinking of using it after my next at-home microneedling session because my skin feels so sensitive after that. Even though it's marketed for dry skin, I genuinely feel it works for people like me with oily, acne-prone skin too. That said, because I live in a very humid climate, I can only imagine using this at night. It's the same way I use their A2 Soothing Gel. Oh, and by the way, if you want me to do a comparison video of this A2 Concentrate Soothing Cream to their A2 Soothing Gel, let me know in the comments. Also, before I forget to tell you, this cream is available on Amazon. I've added the link in description below in case you wish to check that out. So final thoughts. Now coming back to the claims, let's talk about the 100 hours of hydration promise. Honestly, I kept wondering who is really going to go 4 days straight without reapplying a moisturizer. In real life, is that even practical? It's a bold claim, and while it sounds impressive, it's not something most of us would ever put to the test. So that one definitely left me questioning. But the other claims, especially about repairing the moisture barrier, absolutely on point. I could really feel the difference in how calm and nourished my skin felt. As for the claims, it's gentle enough for babies. I do believe it. It's fragrance-free, soothing, and the formulation feels very safe and non-irritating. That said, if you're planning to use it on your child, I would recommend to do a patch test first, just to be extra cautious. So that was all on this lovely ceramide cream. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay beautiful.